let's take a look at this question. Facebook is planning to use retained earning to finance anticipated expenditure. The beta coefficient for Facebook is 1.2, means it's a little bit, it has more volatility than the market, overall market, which is the beta of 1 equal to the market. The risk-free rate is 7%. That's pretty high, right, for a risk-free rate. Now, the risk-free rate is practically close to 0. And the market return is estimated to be 12.4. Using the CAPM model, what is the cost of used retained earnings to finance the capital expenditure? Now, in the prior example, we said we could use this to find the cost of equity. Retained earning is part of equity. So when we say cost of common stock, cost of retained earning, practically the same thing. They're both part of the equity. Because remember, under the equity section of your balance sheet, the two main components are common stock, or sometimes you have preferred stock, but usually common stock, and 2 is retained earnings. So those are both part of equity. So we could use CAPM to figure out our cost of retained earning, which is also part of equity. Again, the risk-free rate, we'll start with the risk-free rate. We can earn 7% without taking any risk. Plus, it's going to be beta, which is beta 1.2, times the risk premium. The risk premium is the return on the market, 12.4, minus the risk-free rate, 7%. So let's do the math and figure out what is our 12.4 minus 7, which is 0.05. So this is 5.4%. 5.4%. So let's turn everything into percentages. 0.045 times 1.2 is 6.48 plus 0.07 plus 7%. So the answer is 13.48. Therefore, your cost of using retained earning is 13.48.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.